What are you playing with, Emmy?
Doll.
Baby doll?
Baby doll is this.
Did you give her a little tubby, Emmy?
Yeah.
And now you're drying her off?
The baby's just gonna dry up.
Good job. Is she all dry?
Yeah.
Good job, Emmy.
The baby just got dry off and did a bath, and then the baby just got to take a bath in my tub.
Do you love your baby?
Yeah. I
Good.
just got and just got to set it up.
My girls.
And Daisy too.
That's right. You're a good girl, Emmy.